welcome back to day 2 of the Weekend Finance Challenge. And that you are here today probably means that you have finished the exercises for yesterday. So you have gone through and looked at the last 3 months of your bank statement, and then from that you have figured out an average. And you have also gone through and done the brainstorming where you have looked at where you can cut costs. Okay, that is also what you need to have in place to start today's challenge or today's exercises. What we're going to do today is that Lucas is going to take you through a simple but very necessary exercise where you are going to look at your income and expenses together with him. This exercise is going to go very fast. You need a pen and paper, and then it's just following his instructions, because the exercise that you did yesterday, the one with the cutting cost and looking at your bank statements, since you already have that in place, the exercises for today is going to be very easy. And after you have gone through that exercise together with Lucas, you can go in and do a more advanced version together with Daniel, where you are going to look at the income and expenses for you as an individual in the same way as company looks at their finances. And after that, Daniel is also going to go through the balance sheet together with you. And the income and expenses and balance sheet that you do together with Daniel, there you have a spreadsheet that you can download. But don't start filling in the spreadsheet before you have looked at the instruction video together with Daniel, because then it might not go the right way that it should do. So look at the video first together with Daniel before you start filling it out. So that's what we have for you today for this weekend challenge, where you're going to really dig deep into getting to know your finances. So good luck with everything of the exercises that you're going to go through today. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye!